To make Scottish vegetarian haggis with neeps and tatties, first wash your hands. Then take warm water, add stock powder and give it a mix. Then drain tinned red kidney beans using a colander and tip them onto a plate. Mash with a potato masher and then pop them into a bowl. Tear up some mushrooms, grate half a medium carrot and add this to the bowl. Add some chopped hazelnuts, porridge oats, ground nutmeg and 2 or 3 twists of black pepper. Carefully top and tail 2 spring onions and cut them into small pieces with scissors. Carefully chop a handful of fresh coriander, then add this to the bowl, along with the chopped spring onions. Pour in the stock mixture you've made earlier and give everything a good mix. Now divide the mixture equally into large pre-oiled muffin cases that you've placed on a baking tray. Now ask a grown-up to put it in the oven for you. Whilst the vegetarian haggis is cooking, ask a grown-up to peel, boil and chop potatoes to make your tatties. And do the same with your neeps, which are also called swede. When they are slightly cooled, they are ready for you to mash. Add a splash of milk, a small amount of butter and a pinch of salt to the tatties and mash them with a potato masher. Then mash your neeps with the potato masher as well. And they're ready to serve when your vegetarian haggis is cooked. This is a My World Kitchen green recipe that can be eaten often.